revenue tax officers, they wanted to give justice to NRIs who have been cheated and started to solve their problems by investigation it with the special CID team and got to know more about this case through investigation.
93, ಆ ಭಾಗದ ಗ್ರಾಮಾಂತರ ಪ್ರದೇಶಗಳಿಂದ ಇವರು ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಹೌದು ಚಾಕೋ ಅವರು. ಅದಾದ ಮೇಲೆ 5-6 ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಟೌನ್ಶಿಪ್ ನ ಹೆಸರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿಯ ಸ್ಥಳೀಯ ಗ್ರಾಮ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ಅನುಮತಿ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಅವರು ಆ ಸೈಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ವಿದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಅನಿವಾಸಿ ಭಾರತೀಯರಿಗೆ ಮಾರಿದ್ದು ಹೌದು.
As this case was interesting, CID's team took this as a challenge and started investigation. At that time, they got to know the another cheating case. When the CID team came to know Joseph Chacko has involved in this cheating case, during investigation, new things started to arise. I will let you know about this after a break. Actually, this case has to be investigated by the Karnataka Police Department, but they did not show any interest. So the Bangalore Police Commissioner Shankar Bidri gave this case to CID special team to investigate. When Chacko started to give statement, few another names also come out. In the cheating case of NRI, Chacko has been arrested and started to investigate. During investigation, when Chacko started giving his statement to CID, then they came to know Chacko did not cheat the NRI, but the person called George Varghese, who was working in Chacko company. George Varghese stayed in Kuwait before he started working with Chacko. Varghese was working in Chacko company by name Chacko Estate Housing Development Corporation Customer Care.
Kuwait allinda ಅವರು ಡಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಡಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವರು ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳಿ ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇವನ್ ಡಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ನು ಬಂದು ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರಿದೆ. ಕೆಲಸ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರೋ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ NRIs ನ ಜಮೀನು ತೋರಿಸೋದು ಬರೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
In 2005, Chacko wife Jessie Joseph was expired. So Chacko was mentally disturbed and could not look after his company. During that period, George Varghese became close to workers in Chacko company and NRI who purchased the land. Now Varghese started dealing with the business of Chacko regarding his land purchase and also took information about NRI in Chacko office and gave this to land mafia people. This statement has given by Chacko. This George Varghese extended his team in Doddagubbi, survey number 12, the constructed Athina Township and Bile Shivale Grama, survey number 4/8 and Athina Township, third stage, Bhairati survey number 17 and 27 and Elesiana Township was being demolished. At that time, a big panic was created.
ಜಮೀನು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿಮಾಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಮೇಲ್ಸ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ NRIsಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ ಜಮೀನು ಹೋಯ್ತು, ನಿಮ್ದು ನಾನು ಚಾಕೋ ಯಾರಿಗೋ ಮಾರಿದೆ, ಸಿಟಿಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ಗೆ ಮಾರಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಏನಾನ ಹೇಳಿ ಇವನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನೋ ಮೇಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ದು ಡಾಟಾ ಬೇಸ್ ಇವನ್ ರಾಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
When panic was created, George Varghese went straight away to Ganesh Karnik to complain.
ಪ್ರಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾರ್ಜ್ ವರ್ಗೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವವರು ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ಚಾಕೋ ಅವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಜನ ಏನು NRIಗಳು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬಡಾವಣೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಟ್ ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಚಾಕೋನಿಂದ ತುಂಬಾ ಅನ್ಯಾಯ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದೇ ಸೈಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ 3 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು 5-6 ನಾನ್ ಬೇಲೇಬಲ್ ವಾರಂಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನುವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಬಿಂಬಿಸಿದ್ರು.
After complaining to Captain Ganesh Karnik, the company in the name called Cityscape came up in Varghese in charge.
ಜಾರ್ಜ್ ವರ್ಗೀಸ್ ಹೊತ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಾವು ಆ ಟೈಮ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಸಿಟಿಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಿಟಿಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಓನರ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ಶಂಕರ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೋಹನ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಇದನ್ನ ತಕೊಂಡ್ತೀರ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಈ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊಡೆದಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಂತೆ.
At this time, Varghese started Athina Welfare Society. Through this society, he raised some people against Chacko, and not only this, he also mailed NRI who stayed in Arab countries that Chaco has sold your properties to other person for second time and also misleaded the NRIs.
Then we got some misleading news also, information also from some people, namely one Mr. George Varghese and all, telling that they will be helping us for taking possession of this property. But then after some time we found out that it was a totally scrupulous program, and there was so many hidden agenda behind all this. And finally Mr. Chaco got in touch with us, and he is now working very hard to give us back the possession of our properties.
When NRIs received the mails against the Chaco, they came and met George Varghese for the help. The NRI who came to meet George Varghese, he made NRI to post the complaint against Chaco in different police station, and he was successful in it.
ಯಾಕೆ ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರೇ ಪಾನಿಯಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೆಲವು ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ, ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ NRIs ಹೇಳಿ ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಿಸಿ ನನ್ನೇ ಜೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದು. ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ ನನಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಯಾರೇ ವರ್ಗೀಸ್ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ.
The police registered the complaint which has given by the NRI and filed case against Chaco. Chaco gave a statement to CID saying that George Varghese and his team have planned to cheat and loot the property of NRI. Not only Varghese, he have a team involvement, namely Shankar Reddy, Satish Kumar, BK Mohan Kumar, Bijju, Jerry Soman, Satish Kumar, Jacob Thomas, Raju and others. This statement was given by Chaco to CID team, and he applied to Bangalore City Civil Court that the case against to him has to be dismissed, and Chaco said all these cases have been dismissed. Most of the NRI have been cheated in Doddagubbi survey number 12, which was 40 acres of land was purchased